Okay, so for this one, how many case statements are usually used in a switch statement? One for each possible answer. All right. Tim, can you read this one?
Yes. The break keyword. So we have learned that the switch statement tests a code block, but we won't always want it to test the whole block. The break keyword essentially switches the switch statement off. Breaking out of the switch block stops the execution of more code and case testing inside the block. Heads up, usually a break should be in each statement. Theme, complete the program. See, I put the theme according to input number. Right.
Okay, so everybody start to work on this one. Oh, Tim, can you read this too?
Yes. The user, switch statement, problem, switch statement. The user can choose the color theme for the browser. 1 light, 2 dark, 3 nocturne, 4 terminal, 5 indigo. You're in a program that takes the number as input. Complete the program so that it will output to the console the theme according to the input number. Sample input is 2, sample output is dark. Don't forget to use breaks for each case statement.
All right, so you're just gonna do a case statement that
It's going to print, do console.log light, right? The input 4, it's going to input that or output to the console terminal. And I'm going to go back to I'm going to go back to the switch statement just so that while you guys are working on that, so you can see the next one. So you don't have to go back and forth on yours, so you can see the syntax of how to write switch statements. And again, just do raise hand emoji once you're done. Oh, and just because this says document right, that's not what it's asking you. It's asking you to do console log, just a reminder. All right. Looks like a lot of you are done. So oh, I skipped it. All right. So with this one, so here's the random generated user input, right? And then we're going to do a switch statement. So switch whatever the random number is. If the random number is 1, then print light, because that's what it wants us to do. If this equals 2, then print dark. If this equals 3, so on and so forth, right? And I could have done default too, but I didn't there. But yeah, so who is still struggling with this one, or it's not working for you? Please speak up.
Just leave it there, please.
Yeah, me, David.
Okay, David, can you do screen share?
Sure.
Okay. So you're gonna need to add tabs after your console log and your break, because this way, that's just how it's that's just part of what you need to do. So after your case 1, just add a tab on, so add a tab on line 5 and 6, add a tab on line 8 and 9. No, not a space, a tab. So delete the space, because you'll see the lines. So delete that and add a tab. Yeah, and a tab, and then tab for the break, and then a semicolon after the break. And then same thing for 8 and 9, and a semicolon after the break.
Okay.
Oh, and also you put wait, you needed to put, so the theme number, it has a capital N. So go ahead and put a capital N there, and then add your tabs and semicolon, and go ahead and hit run. And
Okay.
you're good to go.
Hey, please
Awesome.
keep it there. I'm almost done.
What was that?
I'm missing something. I don't know what I'm missing.
Okay, can you do screen share?
Yes. Let me see. Yeah, I'm still missing something.
Okay, yeah, you're gonna have to put tabs 2. Oh, and also you need what's it called? Oh, and you put an extra. Yeah, get rid of that. And actually, I'm not oh wait, no. So put your starting squiggly bracket, and then also all those the light, dark, nocturne. That has to be a string, so they've got to be in quotes. So actually, I
Oh,
could
no
be wrong
kidding.
about the having to put tabs. I think you do, but I'm not sure. Let's try it
Let's see.
without
Let's
it.
see what happens.
Well, no. First, let's put it all in quotes, like the light, dark, nocturne, all that
Okay.
stuff. Let's put those in quotes.
Okay.
Okay, and hit run. No, it's wanting your tabs. Okay. Oh, wait. Also, oh, okay. Hold on. No.
Would it be the light that's
Delete
not
line.
capitalized? Because mine
Oh
was
yeah.
sensitive.
That needs to be capitalized too. The light needs to be capitalized, but also you're gonna need to delete line 11, and then put that at the end on line 29, because your code's got to be in that main function block. So put a closing squiggly bracket at the end of line 28.
It's right here, isn't it?
Yeah. Put the curly bracket right there, the closing curly bracket.
This one?
Yeah, good. Now hit run.
You use two of them in the same line? I didn't know that.
Well,
Yeah.
no, it's because see your function main. So
Right.
yeah, I
That's
guess
what
you
I was
don't
looking
need.
at. I was
I guess you
confused by
don't
that
have to
one.
have the tabs.
And then the switch.
Yeah, well, it's got to be. It's wanting that to be in the function main with that variable theme
Right.
number, right?
Right.
And so it just had to be in that squiggly bracket.
Yeah.
Okay, you're good to go.
Cool. Thank you.
Is anybody else having trouble getting it to work?
Yeah, mine doesn't want to run.
Oh, okay. Can you do screen share? And you guys could lower your hands. Oh, no. You don't want to assign theme. Okay, so delete line 11, because you're wanting to use the random generated user input. And then on line 12, change that capital T to a lowercase t. Okay, hit run.
No, there it goes.
And there you go. All
Thank
right.
you, sir.
Welcome. Anybody else that not working for? If so speak up, otherwise we'll move on. All right. So moving along. All right, I'll give you guys a second to do the next one. Let's see what. Okay. All right. So for this one, what's the output of this code? Well, X is 3, so there's no case for 3. So it's going to do the default one, the last one, which is, x plus 5. And that's the same as the default's the same as your else statement, right? So x 3 plus 5 is 8. So there you go. Let's see.
Hey, Brandon, why case 2 wouldn't work? Why you couldn't do x for 3 plus 2? For case 2.
Say that again.
On the break keyword,
Uh-huh.
the one, go back, on the back one.
Uh-huh.
It says there, case 2, document console.log x plus 2. Why you couldn't use that one?
Because that's not the case. So the case is, so if you look at where it says switch right here, switch is x. So x and x is 3. So the switch is 3. So it's saying if the case is 3, then do that. And the only cases they had case 1, they had case 2, but they didn't have a case 3. So it doesn't matter what's in here, because unless it doesn't matter what's in this block of code, because it's not going to get executed unless it's equal to what's in this switch statement. So unless yeah, so it just goes ahead and passes that, but then it goes to our default, the last one, which is what's going to get executed if none of these are true. So
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. And Brian A, can you read this one?
The default keyword. Often there will be no match, but we'll see the need. We'll still need the program to output something. For this, we use the default keyword, which specifies the code to run if there's no case match. Heads up, the default block can be omitted if there is no need to handle the case when no match is found.
So it's kind of messed up that this question, you needed to understand what default that was before they taught you. But anyway, so yeah, so we've pretty much already covered this, so we're just gonna move on. Oh, well, default statement is used when no match is found. All right, now we are going to get to the for loop, which is one of, well, actually, we got a bunch of loops. Okay, never mind. We'll save the for loop for tomorrow. But I was gonna say, because for loop's one of the most common used loops you're gonna be using in JavaScript, but we'll cover that tomorrow. So go ahead and just work on
Tomorrow, Saturday, Brendan.
Oh, not tomorrow. Monday.
Tuesday.
Or Tuesday. Yeah, wow. Yeah, so we'll work on that Tuesday. So for now, just work on your what's it called? Your resume websites. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And if you're done with your resume website with all the CSS, go ahead and let me know, and I'll tell you what you can do to test out your JavaScript stuff for this time. Mark H, what's up?
So I was messing around and I kind of screwed up my grids, and I can't find out where I've messed up.
Okay. Oh wait, hold on. Let me do stop